mabhana aifanira kuzenge achishandiswa on that dam zvikanzi imimi zvomaita manje chiendai uko, then isusu takufonera majournalist, then even makazovhiringwa vanenge vato-capture the thing. Ndikati, but where are the people? Zvikanzi vamwe vakadzokera nezuro, but if you want to wait, there are other about 10 bishops vachauya. Ndobva ndati okay, isusu takaenda uko. Ko imimi munenge muri kupi? Zvikanzi isusu takapaka motikari kuno, because we were standing behind, because at that place, Mulungushi Conference Center, there is a mall which is being renovated. So we parked in the car park behind. And this is what Chichasara Kuno Katatai Wakavarumi. This thing is Chichakarongwanim, this thing Dimivaridz work. It's just cannot Chienda Kumbeto, this one. Because you know, you pretend like you are not part of us. Tishakupe futi sambai. So Tarange Tiriko Zambia Wakafira and I Tepo. We were there at Tiriko Zambia Wakapond wa left Manawasa Zambian president in Emerson Mnangagwa. We were there.
Greetings, and more greetings to you, good people. My name is DJ Oli, and welcome to Point 5 Creative Studios. Chitubu che content, chitubu chisingapwe, chitubu chinonwane munhu wese, chitubu chakavhenekwa chikaongororwa nana mazvikokota kunzi aiwaka chitubu ichi chine content yakachena, content iri healthy, content yakakodzera kunge chikonsumwa nemunhu akaita kunge iwewe. Ndosaka uri panapa muzvara nhasi. Saka kana iri first time yako, dzvanya subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any exciting content uploaded. Kana wangu wagara uri mugaro wepanapa, dango kutenda nekuita sei nekukurumidza kubhadhara rent. Thank you very much for supporting Point 5 Creative Studios. Right, zvamanje ndina Mkoma Jeff paline. Is one of the people kaenda ku Zambia. Saka tati tuye first hand information, tunyaya twakawandisa, umwe arikutaura zvake, hatisi kuziva chokwadi chaicho. Saka ndauya naMukoma Jeff kuti vangotipa imuchidimbu kuti zvakafamba sei, then pane umwe urongwa huripo futi musi wa 1 August futi vomba vatipira kuti zviri kuita sei, zviri kufamba sei. Mukoma Jeff, makadi?
Tinosimba makadi nembori yeZimbabwe. Yes, inindonzi Jeff Judah Osana, andina political organ. Yandiri affiliated nayo. Following experience, ekuzakuti my political parties are to fail from ruling party to opposition. So we decided that if we, as the citizens, civilian population, if we don't come together, we say nothing good can come out. But actually, a political party, Hapana. That is why our journey to Zambia was based on the initiative yokuti takanzwa kuti ma citizens that sangane ku Zambia. It was not something that is a political party partisan. No. If it was something about a political party, I would not even taken the guts to go to Zambia. Why should I go?
So basically you are saying you are not affiliated to any political party, but you are standing for the citizens of Zimbabwe.
Yeah, I'm standing with the people of Zimbabwe.
Okay. So can you please take us through journey yekuenda ku Zambia? Yakafamba sei uyezve zvii zvakanoitika ku Zambia ikoko?
I think everybody is very much aware kuti change radio. An official news broadcaster. Inoratidza kuti iyo iri on the side of the people. Ndo yaka-advertise kuti Sadc yendei tinodzivirira vaMnangagwa from being given the chairmanship of Sadc. So it made a lot of things to me. Why should I be left behind? Because this guy, Mnangagwa, has caused a lot of suffering to millions. Right now here in South Africa, precisely, we may be probably more than 6 to 7 million. Why should I stay behind?
Yes.
Numbers. So we decided to join us.
Okay, so pamasvika ku Zambia, what were the steps? Chichakaitika in brief kuti vanhu vangoziva.
tisati tasvika kuZambia chinhu chakatimotivheta ndechekuti takanzwa kuti kuBotswana kwakasimuka vamwe nemabhazi avakahayirwa, kuNamibia kwakasimuka vamwe nemabhazi. Ndiri kuti kuBotswana nekuNamibia kwakanzi kune vanhu vari kubvapo nemabhazi. So considering how many Zimbabweans are in Botswana and in Namibia compared to South Africa, what mabhazi the people in Namibia and Botswana. So we decided to join others, representing the millions of others in South Africa. Vari kutadziswa kuenda nekuda kwemabasa, vari kutadziswa kuenda nekuda kweurwere, vari kutadziswa kuenda nekuda kweurombo kana zvimwe zvikonzero.
Okay, saka mimi team yenyu makaenda muri vanhu vangani?
Takaenda tiri 4 men.
Okay.
Yeah, we were 4.
Okay, and then vandabvunza kuti kochinangwa changa maendera, was it to hand in a petition kana kuti kuenda kuno demonstrator?
Isusu takaenda kunobatsira on the protest as it was advertised in Change Radio.
Okay.
So leadership yakanga varonga ikoko ndo vaifanirwa kuziva kuti basa iri varifambisa sei. Isusu takaenda as a support base nokuti vanhu vakanzo uyai tinosangana kuZambia kulusaka to protect. So went as backup people.
Okay, whatever happened to Zambia Zvakaitika, but how do you see it? Do you see kuti zvakaita impact here? Was it successful kana kuti zvine zvakatokonya here kana kuti zvanga zvingoriwo izvozvo?
Because we were 1 day late.
Okay.
Because from the beginning, the protest comes with Saturday, which was the 13th of July 2024. Then actually the meeting was on 11 and 12, which was the Thursday and the Friday. So vanhu vatonzi vatopinda mabhazi, vanhu vatopinda mutransport, they are already on the way. Saka isusu now taitarisira kusumuka kwechina tatoti the very Tuesday atipinde mroad, let's go, let's be there. So ndo vatapinda.
Right, saka ndambobvunza ndikati mukaona kuti zvakabudirira here kana kuti hazvina kubudirira zvakaitika?
Handingati zvakabudirira because when we got there kwanga kusina mabhazi.
Okay.
Akatakura vanhu nekuNamibia. When we got there were no people. Saka because it was on a Friday, vakati vamwe vakauya nezuro. But there were no pictures, there were no videos. There was nothing to show that there were people.
Yes, that's true. Ndrupabata.
Ndokubva vati isusu kwatiri 3 of us, because one was arrested by immigration on the board of Zambia, so we proceeded as 3. So don't forget ndakaenda ndisina passport all the way to Lusaka, Zambia, ndaijamba maboard.
Okay.
Yes. So zvakanza ivimi manje the leadership yeku CCC. So what I don't know so far, are they divided kuti vamwe vachiri ku blue movement here, vamwe vakazara kwana Chabangwere? But the guys that I meet there, I knew them as the pillars of CCC vakamira na Chamisa, being a diaspora leadership. So vamwe vacho vanga vakatobhuruka vakaenda ikoko, so they were in lodges or hotels, of which they later took us to the lodge. So they were driving around with a Chevrolet Captiva SUV, my own motorcar. So they took us. So actually, since we arrived in Friday 5 a.m., we were already there in Lusaka. But the funeral leadership, and it took so long to come, only appearing at the hour which was about 10 o'clock in the morning from 5 a.m.
Yes.
So following that, mana leader Marufu na leader Trust and Blovo vakabudisa maplacards nemabhana aifanira kuzoenga achishandiswa on that day. Zvakanzi imimi zvomaita manje chiendai uko, then isusu takufonera majournalist, then even makazovhiringwa vanenge vatocapture the thing. Ndikati but where are the people? Zvakanzi vamwe vakadzokera nezuro, but if you want to wait, there are other about 10 bishops vachauya. Ndobva ndati okay, isusu takaenda uko. imimi munenge muri kupi zvakanzi tiitaka motikari kuno because we were standing behind it, because at that place Mulungushi Conference Center there is a mall which is being renovated. So we parked in the car park behind. And this is what tichasara kuno kuti ai wakavarume. This thing chichakarongwa nemi. This thing dimivaridze vacho. Isusu kana tichienda kumbetro iswanani. Because no, you pretend like you are not part of us. Tichakupa futi tsamba. Ari mukuzviona manje. Tikati tsamba a stamped letter in a police stamp, which was a letter of notification in order to the leaders vakasvika ku police. So they said they were waiting for a letter of confirmation of which it was not there. Whether they were refused the letter of confirmation deliberately or whatever, we do not know, but they did not have it. So imimi no ajiti. So there was this other young man who was driving that Chevrolet Captiva. I said, this guy, he said he is the son of Mr. Mapos. Then the petition, we can hand it over to the people there at Sadc. Young man must start two pumps, so you get the idea. So I asked it, who's Ahmad? Where is he? They said he's not here. Who is this Mapos? They said he's not here. I said, guys, are you serious? I must hand over something. One whom I don't know. And here there is no signature is by the people. What kind of a thing is this? So the environment became so tense. I was angry, and themselves they were showing the great displeasure and asked tairamba kungoitwa sezvigunduru zvanonga mstreet kuti zvitinhire mberi ndazviende ikoko. Ndobva ndati we young man, take the risk, you go with me, ndakuenda pahasha panopisa moto. Politics. Baba wake ndo vatipa motikari kuti. No, this one is a grown-up man, because that guy is probably 29 to 33 years or between the lines. Politics. So I think I could have traveled over 1,800 kilometers. And the leaders, they are sleeping in lodges, in hotels. They come, they don't want to go.
Yeah, I get it.
You see? So it was a very bad. Now, and they were not there. It shocked me. Then I asked the brothers in the country, but when Salos Chilima, the vice president of Malawi, died, Job Scala, Akawana Maria Kukwira Ndege, Nokwenda Kurufu. Why is it that is not here? Recently, he was talking on Twitter, Kuti, Ian and Jacob Ruvuma, they are willing to be leading the people from the front. They were not there. What thing is this? The in 2021, HH president. Even Makaona beating and Nelson Chamisa Mtego, picture myself, anointing. They had the time to go there to Zambia. But now this thing is about themselves. They are not going there. In West, Votaura Zvose Sadc Yakati June 3rd, Zimbabwe be ready for elections. They are not there. Then I started to think that, guys, these same leaders, King Charles Pavaitas, my celebration is how Wakayenda Chamisa Fatima Yere, Aneta Baba said to Uremta doing Mayor Takawana. So to pay for the flight. You went to Britain. Those people, they were not sleeping in the streets. They were sleeping in first-class hotels. Time in Nemari they could go, but they cannot go to their own movement by the people. Then you remember when this other guy there in Lesotho, Sam Matekane, when he became the prime minister, when I beat him, TV, wari koko na chamisa bitaka to fake waskave zano PF with one of that shit zano PF guy. They were holding glasses of wine. So the thing is, one at a time in Nemari Ekwenda when is really useless. But to the thing that is more important, not there. They are not there.
I get the sense. So what happened now? What happened now after Votaura Mkoma? Akazobvuma kuenda. Chicha akazoitika ba.
Vakati is not part of politics because they knew kuti takataka tarisana na arrest. So I tipped the guys that are heading the Katikana is not a problem because it's already weekend. You will stay in behind the custody, maybe Saturday, Sunday, Monday or Tuesday. We may be released by the courts.
Oh, okay. I get the sense. And then the press conference, I saw some videos of the press conference. Yakazoitwa sei. My journalist akazoya.
Press conference yakaitwa kuchiloji. So when we get there, you are welcome here. We paid a lot of money here. you can stay here, you can sleep. So there was a big room over there in the conference place, and we helped to put those banners. I'm not I put up my video, and the Jezara to come there, and they did come, and we did the talk of the print conference, and they said, Kurukuya, the Zambian Broadcasting Corporation, and the other television group of who, there were different SABC and the others. So they said, can you wait there? Because you, Jeff, you are a very powerful speaker. I said, no. Andina kuinga kuno kuita zvekubuda pa television. We came to help do the protest, and it is not there. It's just, we are using public transport to go from place to place. You better let us go, then you can finish the rest. So because we didn't have enough man, I remember one of the young guy, I told him the previous day, he had used his back. You know what? Kunema Zimbabwe na kugara kuma refugee camp there, and they just to go there, they find a way taking those people to use them for coverage, things like that. Is that politics that we should have as Zimbabweans? So, and that guy was a good man. He gave us 50 US bucks. Then one of the leaders, I can't remember, it was a Trust in Love. I think he picked about 300. Then this other leader, Marufu, I think also produced, was it 200 or 100 kwacha? So I can't remember because it was being given to one of the guys we were working together. So the same Chevrolet Captiva SUV, they took us to the hiking point. So we left.
Okay, no coverage was there. No people was there protesting there.
There were no people unless zero, but I remember my video and my pictures one waka protester on the Thursday, but they were not there. They were not.
No, we didn't see anything.
Apamwe maka request apamwe wachakupai as a special request. Maybe they will produce that.
Okay, so moving forward, Zambia is done and dusted. Try look forward. Ndaona parikunzanzi mswa 1 August. You are planning something.
Yes, we had agreed with everybody because in Zimbabwe vanoda kutungamirira nyika ndo vakawandisa almost everybody, but vanoda kusukura nyika avako. So takati ndatidzidze ikuita zvinhu nouwandu. If we go to the embassy Muswa 1 and we shut it down because that embassy is our second Zimbabwe away from Zimbabwe. That is the only place where we have the right to demand, so that a place like Zimbabwean embassy, we can tell them that you are here because of us, but we are being abused in your presence. You are doing nothing. We better close it. So I don't think Chabudirira on the sense that some of the people who are there, they want this thing to be a partisan thing, kutishinzi deshema political party, the civilian population, which is something. We had the ruling parties that pay for we had the opposition for 24 years. Now we still want to do something in the name of opposition. It won't work. That it is as the civilian people united together for one cause.
Okay, regandiite sendinokudzosai kumashure mbichana parikunzi pakarezwa mari yakazopiwa vamwe vanhu vakaenda kuZambia. Mimi, were you given funds by anyone besides vakomana vakakubatsirai kuZambia kuti muende kuZambia?
Yeah, ndakanzwa from this other woman aitambira mari kuti when we had already left vari kuti pane one man, vari kuti pane one person avana kudisclose his name, we gave 1,000 rand. Then the same woman said another one gave 200 rand. So because in anditambire kuna udzemari, and the good news, you know what, nemari yedu akatina ishoma yekuhaika, we managed to go to Zambia and came back. Takazowana assistance tapa Ntabazipi when we were close to Joburg. That is when the taka request kuti munokwanisa here kuti batsirane mari. Zvakanzora itirege tikuitire e-wallet ye about 1,000 rand, of which Mkoma Brave, another member of Triple C, and the other guys, they went to withdraw that man.
Okay. Zviri kumeka sense. So mashoko enyu ekupedzisira kuvana vezimbabwe vakateerera, I think everything is clear, vanhu vanzwisisa zvakaitika zviri kuitika. Mashoko enyu amungataure kuvana vezimbabwe vakateerera iyo zvino izvi ndeapi?
Chinhu chekutanga chandoda kuudza kumazimbabwe ndechekuti zvinhu zvekuti mazimbabwe haana kubatana hazviko, ndezvekunyepa. Chatisina kudzidza kushanda neuwandu all together in one place. Ndo shoko rekutanga. Rechipiri nderekuti ndatisakanganwei kuti kuzimbabwe maleaders ese aya, remember we have 140 opposition political parties, of which takashawa even one leader of those opposition political parties. But vanhu ivavo vanoti vanoda kutungamirira Zimbabwe, but havadi kusunungura nyika. I think it's a mistake. Tingati mafambiro akaita message nechange radio vese ava out of 140 they missed the call up yekuti 100 inosangana kulusaka kuZambia. Is it true? Is it true?
No, it's not.
Why did you know it? Because the thing is, should the ZANU-PF step down, it will pave way to a transitional government. Now, a transitional government, chandoda kuudza kumhuri yeZimbabwe, the third thing, ndezvekuti, because Zimbabwe vanoziva kuti there is a government made by winning political party, then there is a second government, the GNU, whereby the opposition agrees with the ruling party, Yana Changraye. Then there is another third type of government, the coalition government. But Zimbabwe kuti there is a fourth government, the transitional authority government. It is more super. Akuna anoida because it inoita kuti political career ema politician if it open door to good economic prosperity, transparency, accountability, and the true freedom. But if we bring it down as ZANU-PF, what is bad about the Ministry of Agriculture? You take the best farmer like Nico can do in Zimbabwe, take in charge of the Ministry of Agriculture. Then we have the best doctors in Zimbabwe. You take the best doctor, be the Minister of Health. Then utemunotora musoja chiwenga to Minister of Health. Do pamunopesera kama kutenga handimugona. You see? Then transitional government you have a serious businessmen in Zimbabwe are respected in the World Bank, are respected by international institutions of finance and so on. You can borrow them, be a Strive Masiwa, Kadamtunga Mawere, please be the caretaker president of this transitional government until free and fair elections. What's wrong about it? Then it won't work. So transitional government is good in the senseekutika inika ndinganzika iwe Jeff Judah and down minister of mining. Yet I know nothing about to go and to zvikuti muZimbabwe ne output yezvicherwa zvemuZimbabwe. Sezvakaitwa naMnangagwa kuti he took his son for minister of finance. That young man, what does he know about finance? He knows nothing.
Yes, that's true.
So you can actually see that this is not a form of a government. We had that problem isusu. We had that problem isusu even on the setup of opposition. And you still remember kuti constitution MDC alliance. Yaiti, if you are not a member of this thing for 5 years, muna apinde. But kwakatorwa na jabu no waizikanoti vanoponda vanhu opposition vakapinda ma-structures MDC alliance. Dana team vyasa vakatari bhegi rapera vakadzokera kuZANU-PF. Ndokuonesana. Vakauya nani ku MDC alliance? Vakauya na Chamisa. Ndobva vamutiza futi Chamisa tikati mistake inoitika. Chamisa he made another mistake because he is my brother. Takata mistake nofana kuzoti my brother Pepe waita mistake. Do you still remember before Chamisa mistake? Akamudza, you don't participate in this election without my electoral reforms. Akabvuma.
No.
Changirai did the same. Akaudzwa Jacob Zuma when his last attempt to participate in the election before he died. So do not participate without electoral reforms. Avavesa varangopinda my election pasina ma reforms. Akati ndiriko ami ndiriko kumasoja ndiriko kuzeki ndiriko bagadi jeri ndiriko kumasiyaiwo tiriko ibhurumango style vanhu vakati bhurumango hamuna kuinzwa bhurumango here
Bhurumango
it was
takainzwa.
beautiful the bhurumango style it was very addictive. I loved that thing bhurumango style, but after post election bhurumango yakaenda kupa amena ana Freeman wangu akutoka basa ndiye aiti ndakasungira tuntu kwangu mumutiti ne capture data nditi ati nanhasi even election payakapera makaona here photo kana video yetuntu kwacho twanga akasungirira mumutiti wa capture data kubvunza journalistika mufonere Freeman ari kuti tuntu wetu wangu akasungirira mumutiti wa capture data
tipe tuone
anditi kwa zvino zvatisi kushanda kandaradze maZimbabwe atuntu wetu aicapture data ndito kuti tunoshanda so hakuna so andomukona kuti muri kutamba nesu imimi
vanhu vachitamba nepfungwa dzevanhu.
So inene ndiri kuti the leaders were supposed to be there, saka ndiri kuvakumbirisa maleaders kuti please musahwande atidi ya 1 August yekuti vanhu vakazopondwa chamisa hamene kuti asvika jerero whatever vanhu vakapfurwa nepfuta akati those people were foolish. Munhu akaadvisa chamisa to talk that nonsense, that person is not a good person. Chamisa was supposed to say I'm very sorry than kuti munoudza president anotaura vanhu kuti they were very foolish. They are misleading a good leader. They were misleading him. You can't say to the public kuti vanhu vakafa they were very foolish. Vakaitwa multi-mission to investigate. Hakuna political leader akazotera mutlato kuti kwa iwo wakainvestigate nyaya yakazoguma se everybody is quiet.
So angopera zvakadaro.
And this vari kupiwa matenders neZANU-PF, vana biti vese vakapiwa mapurazi neZANU-PF. Zvofamba sei now? How are we going to trust BT as an opposition political leader? Akapiwa prazi neZANU-PF monzera akapiwa Mercedes Benz nefarm recently, a brand new one. Prazi musikongopiwa prazi sori nematrakta nemombe nevashandi musikonza monzera tatokupa from Norway.
Anenge ari ma-projects awo.
Ndizvo here kuti wewe ndosikongokupa imba nemukadzi nevana ndototi wato baba panapa, then you accept it without questioning.
Aiwa hatetichiziyana tichiziyana kumashure.
So that is my message to Zimbabwe kuti ndatidzidzei kuita chinhu takawanda, but sezvo tine vazhinji vanogona kutungamirira vanoda kutungamirira, we have no shortage. Tine shortage yevanhu vanoda kusunungura nyika, ndo shortage yatinayo. So if we don't do it together ourselves, there shall be no liberation for Zimbabweans. So takange tiriko kuZambia kwakafira ana Herbert Chitepoko, we were there. Tatiriko kuZambia kwakapondwa Levu mwana wasa Zambian president na Emerson Mnangagwa, we were there. And this is the message I have to Zimbabweans. The moment we fail to do things together, zvatodakwa. Izvema political party, let's forget zvakatoramba.
Yeah, ichokwadi izvo.
Kunoti ane vanhu vari kutuka Mwari tana maZimbabwe tanamata, Mwari haasi kutinzwa. Mwari akanzwa kudhara. We can't keep on praying zvinhu zvakaitwa naMwari kudhara.
Yeah. Aiwa, ndotenda Mkoma Jeff, thank you very much for your time, and I hope shoko richasvika kuvanhu, and I hope maclarifiers zvinhu zvainetsa vanhu vakawanda, because vazhinji havasitoziva kuti chii chakamunyasofamba, chii chakaitika kuZambia, zvakafamba sei. Ndinotenda neinformation yamatipa. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Right, mangozvinzwira Mkoma Jeff vachitaura zvakaitika kuZambia neurongwa hwanga huripo hwemusi wa1, vachitaura izvo kuti handifunge kuti uchabudirira nyaya yekuti maZimbabweans hatidi kushanda pamwe chete, tinoda kutonga nyika but hatidi kusunungura nyika, handitika. So ndo nyaya yanga tichingofamba nayo zvamanje. I hope manzwisisa, I hope mafollower. Siya comment mcomment section, wotaura mafungiro ako, wotaura maonero ako. As for me, DJ Oli and the rest of the crew behind the scenes, to it is bye for now. Ngatisangane mu video rinotera.